Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix USB tethering not working when your phone only charges. All right, let's begin. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Then go to Software Information and find Build Number. Tap it 7 times. After that, enter your PIN or password. This enables developer mode on your phone. Now go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Developer Options. In here, scroll until you find Tethering Hardware Acceleration and enable it. Next, scroll down a bit more and tap on Default USB Configuration. From here, select USB Tethering. Once done, go back and turn off Developer Options. Now reconnect your USB cable and the USB tethering option should appear. If it still does not work, the issue may be your USB cable. Older or unsupported cables sometimes only allow charging. Switching to a proper USB data cable can fix the problem. So that's basically how you can fix USB tethering not working when your phone only charges. That's it for this video. Thanks.